Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create a digital product step by step. So this is how I do it. So the first thing is I go through the internet and search on topics that I want to create on. So if you're making something about hair products formulation, then you're going through the internet, search on publications, articles, and different data you can gather on that specific topic you're talking about. So the aim of this is to make sure that your digital product is delivering value to your customers. And so this is the most very important step in creating your digital product. You have to sit down and ask yourself, what does my digital product deliver to my clients? Like, what do you want them to gain from that digital product, and how helpful will that be to them? Is it something that they can just get it easily out there, or is it something that they can probably see the need for them to pay you to get that knowledge? So you have to make sure that you have made a very thorough research on that specific topic. You have all of the necessary information someone would be in need to know, and hence pay you to get that information. So as you can see, the hair growth herbs and oils and what, they are widely available, but the hard part comes into formulating those hair care products. And as you can see, most of the formulations are not available for free out there. You either have to enroll into a course and learn them, and as you know, these courses are not for free. You have to pay for the course, get the knowledge, and later on you can leverage it to how you see fit. So for me, I purchased one of the course of hair care products formulation, and currently I am able to create a digital product on how to formulate your own hair care products, and also I am able to make my own hair care products and sell them. So you get a knowledge that you can leverage in two different ways. You can use that knowledge you've gathered to deliver knowledge into other people, and also you can use the knowledge you've acquired into making your own business, like creating your own hair care products and sell them. So after I have gathered all the knowledge, the second step is drafting how I want my digital product to be. So you will find a cover page, like a table of contents, like the things you want to cover in your digital product, and create a full outline of how you want your ebook to be from start to the end. And once you have drafted how your book wants to be, you've incorporated everything you wanted to incorporate into your digital product, then you can move on to the third stage. So the second stage, as I've said, is just drafting how you want your ebook to be, and for that I just use the Microsoft Word app. And for designing my ebooks, I use Canva offers free as well as paid templates that you can use to make your digital products look stylish, eye-catching, and yet be able to deliver the value that you want them to deliver. So once you enter in Canva and you just write ebook templates, they'll bring a wide range of choices you can choose from on how you want your digital product to appear. So as I said earlier, Canva offers free templates as well as paid templates, and it has templates about everything, whether you want to make a planner, whether you want to make a calendar, whether you want to make postcards, whether you want to make everything. It has everything you need for creating digital products. So you can choose templates that will match with the kind of vibe you want your brand and your product to give. And once you have selected a certain template that you think will match with your brand identity, then you'll be able to edit it according to how you want to. So after selecting the template that you find nice, then you'll be able to edit the titles, the contents, and everything. You'll be able to change everything from the font type, the cover pages, the images, colors, everything to how you want it to look. After that, you'll be done with your digital product. Canva lets you download it directly into your phone, or you can have access to a link, but I prefer downloading it to my phone. So after that, you'll be posting it into your selling platform. For I use Gumroad because I find it very easy and beginner friendly. So in Gumroad, you just go into your account, into the product section, and you tap the add new product button. After tapping the button, they'll just let you write the title of your product and choose whether it is a digital product, it is an ebook, a course, or whether you want it to be as a bundle. And you will have to select the price of your product. So after you have filled all the details on that part, which are the title, selecting whether it is a digital product, an ebook, a course, or you want to include it in a bundle, and the price, then you move into the next section, which is writing the description of your product. So in this part, you will have to explain in detail what your product is about. What does it contain, what does it deliver, and how will your client benefit from your product. Also in this page, you'll find a link to where you can use to promote your product in other platforms. Also, there is a section to add a cover page and a thumbnail for your product, both of which I create from Canva. After you have given all the details and everything is ready, then you will move into the next section, which is where you will be asked to upload your product. So this is when you will get your product, whether it was on your phone or you have a link to that product, you can attach it there. And once you've done with embedding the product into that section, then you will be done with uploading your product, and it will be ready to be advertised, promoted, and sold on your selling platform. So that is all the steps that you do, and after this you just have to make sure that you promote your product very well, because Gumroad does not mostly recommend people to your page. It rarely does so you have to promote very, very well. That was all for today. Thank you. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Bye.